Alright, getting ready to close in on the halfway point of the Groundhog Day weekend to begin the new month. February 1st, 2025, CN Hayes here, 2052. This will be my last train of the day here. Almost shy of an hour later, another northbound decides to show up as it follows behind the S763 led by the 3402. This unit is sporting Nathan P3s, so let's check them out on the roads. We'll lean back and get them. .3390's back! About that to end it for the day. Very impressive, if I say so myself. Definitely. So that's going to do it for the U759, 71 of the 30th. And we'll do it for the C6M rebuild of the 3319 yet again. And the rear DPU of the 2913. Off they go to Bruderheim, Alberta, Canada for a new round of diesel oil loading up there. And that is going to do it for this video and the last video for today here at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great night. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Happy rail fanning, and God bless, my friends. CN Hayes out.